بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الأمين. Dear students, would you please open your books? Get ready. 5th grade. Get ready, 5th grade. Okay? So get ready number 4. Would you please open your books? Have your pencils and pens with you. And let's do today's lesson. Okay? Are we ready? Okay. Do you remember what did we study last time on Unit 5? Okay, let's open our workbook, page 75, and do this exercise together to remember what we did before. Okay, this is page 75. So open your books on page 75 to revise some of the sentences and questions that we studied before. Let's do number 4, for example, read and write. Here we have 2 girls and 2 boys talking to each other. Look at this one. Where are you from? The other one is answering, I am from Jeddah. I am from Jeddah. Now here, let's see this. Here the name of the city is Dubai. So, how can we say the question? Where? Again, where are you from? Where are you from? Okay, so here we have where, okay, let's do it again. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Dubai. I am from Dubai. Okay? So again, the question is, you remember the question when you ask someone about his country, you say, where are you from? The answer starts with, I am from Dubai, I am from Riyadh, I am from Jeddah, I am from any city or any country that you are living in. Okay, let's do number 2. This is exercise number 5, actually. Read and write. The first boy asks, hi, my name, or says, hi, my name is Jamal. Okay, the other one will say, A, where are you from? B, I am from England. C, I am Tom, nice to meet you. D, hi, my name is Jamal. Okay, so this is D. This is D. Hi, my name is Jamal. Number 2, I am Tom, nice to meet you. Okay, number 3, where are you from? I am from England. I am from England. Okay, let's move to today's lesson. Today, inshallah, we are going to have Unit 6, Lesson 1, page 36. Would you please open your books all on page 36? As you can see, okay, today we have Unit 6, Lesson 1, page 36. Page 36. Okay, today, inshallah, we are going to talk about planning for holiday. Okay, we are going to learn how to ask some questions, okay, talking about or asking people about their plans for holiday. Okay, here you can see 2 boys. The first one is asking her friend something about his holiday, and also here he's asking him another question. Now we are going to listen to the conversation between these 2 boys, and we are going to discover what is he asking him.
Unit 6, My Country. Lesson 1, Activity 1. Read. Listen and say.
Where are you going on holiday?
I'm going to Jeddah.
How are you going there?
I'm going by plane.
Okay, so here we have two questions. The first one, where are you going on holiday? Where are you going? Where are you going on holiday? Okay, the other one answers, I am going to Jeddah. The second question, how are you going? How are you going? I am going by plane. I am going by plane. So the first question here, you ask where, you ask where. You ask where if you want to ask people about the place, okay? If you want to ask people about the city or the country or the place they are going to visit. So you say, where are you going? Where are you going? And you can answer, or she can answer, or he can answer, I am going to, for example, they can answer, okay, Jeddah, مثلا دمام. I'm going to مثلا Jordan. I'm going to Dubai. I am going to any place or any city or any country that you are going to go to or visit, that you are going to visit. So the question again is, where are you going on holiday? And the answer is going, I am going to, when you ask about a place. Okay? And you name, you put the name or you give the name of the city or the country that you are going to visit. The second question the boy asked was, how? Okay? How are you going? How are you going? The way that is he using or that he will use to go. I am going by, here he said, by what? By plane, by plane. So the boy is going by plane. Okay? Or sometimes we go by car. Sometimes we go by bus. Nowadays we have nice trains in our country, so we can sometimes go by train. So today we are going to ask two questions. The first one, asking about your plan, about the city that you plan to go to or the country that you plan to go to. Where, you start the question with the word where because you are asking about a place. And you finish the question, are you going? Where are you going? The answer is, because you are planning for something in future, I am going to. And you give the name of the city or the country. The second question is how, the way that you are using to move or to go. How are you going? I am going by plane, car, bus, or train. And of course, Saudi Arabia, our country is a very large country and you have many cities that you can visit. But please don't go now anywhere, okay? Now you have to stay at your home. It's not allowed now to move from city to another city, okay? So inshallah, today we are going to talk about planning for holiday. We are going to ask people about their plans for holiday. So don't forget these questions, asking about the place and asking about the kind of transportation, the kind of transportation that you are going to use, plane, bus, car, or train. Okay? Let's go to exercise number 3, read and write. Unit 6, Lesson 1, again page 37. Open your books on page 37. Okay, let's finish this exercise together. Now you know these two questions. Let's remember them. Where are you going? How are you going? Where are you going? I am going to Mecca, Jeddah, Dammam, anywhere. How are you going? I am going by plane, bus, car, train, or any kind of transportation method that you are going to use. Okay, so let's start answering the question. Read and write. Here we have in the box, we have some words. Dammam, it's a city in our country. Where, and Jeddah, and going to, also another city, and the verb going to. Are you going? Are you going? So this is a question. You have here a question. Okay, so you have a question here. So we answer, where are you going? Would you please write down the answers with me? Okay. All right. We are going to, for example, Dammam or Jeddah or any city that you want to go to. Okay, again, I am going to. Number 4, we are going to another city, for example, Jeddah. Okay. Answer the questions, please, finish the sentences in your book. So number 1, where are you going? Number 2, we are going to any city, Dammam or Jeddah. Here they give you 2 choices, Dammam and Jeddah. You can choose one, or you can put your own word. We are going to Dammam. Number 3, I am going to Riyadh. We are going to Jeddah. So don't forget, this is the way that you can use, or the structure that you can use if you want to tell your destination. Okay. Here, please don't go anywhere these days. Stay at home. Yes, as our Ministry of Health said and asked us to stay at our home, our houses. So don't go anywhere, please, to help them to fight the virus nowadays. Okay? And be careful. Number 4, let's go to the exercise number 4. Here you have picture of this. What is this? Is it a car? Is this a car? No, this is, as we said before, this is a plane. This is a plane. Okay, so what is the question here? Where are you going, or how are you going? The question here for this picture. Yes, so this is, how are you going? How are you going? Okay. Where are you going? Here asking again, where are you going on holiday? I will answer for myself. I'm going to Mecca. Okay. Next holiday, not now. Okay, where are you going on holiday? I am going to Mecca. How are you going? How are you going? How are you going? Yes, we are going by a plane. We are going by a plane. We are going by a plane. Okay, so again we have these two questions. Where are you going on holiday? I am going to. When you ask about a city, I am going to. I am going to. I am going to Jeddah. I am going to Mecca. I am going to any city or a country. You may say, you may go to a country, not inside your country. Okay. Okay. Where are you? How are you going? I am. You can write down these answers to help you later. I am going by a car. Okay, I am going by a car. Don't forget the difference between going to and going by. Here, we are talking about a place, and here we go. We are talking about transportation method or way. I am going by a car. I'm going by a plane. I'm going by a bus or a train or anything else. Okay. Okay. All right, let's go to the workbook, page 75. Let's go to the workbook, page 75. Open your books on page, workbook. Sorry, your workbook on page 78. And again, we are talking about my country. As we said, this boy is going to visit a city inside the country because our country is a large country, as we said, and we have many places to visit. Okay? We have many places to go and to visit. And you can explore your country. We have to explore, actually, our country. All right. Let's go again to the workbook. Page 78, open your books and let's do the exercise together. Here, number 1, as you can see, this is the Saudi Arabian map. This is our country map. This is the map of Saudi Arabia. This is the map of Saudi Arabia. Okay? All right, this is my country. This is my country surrounded by other countries and some seas. Here we have the Red Sea. Okay, we have the Red Sea here. Okay, here we have Red Sea. And we have here Arabian Sea. And here we have the Gulf. Okay, the Arabian Gulf. Here we have some countries: Yemen, Oman, Bahrain, Kuwait, Jordan, and some other countries, Iraq. Okay, okay. Now let's see here. He gave you some cities here, and he asked you to read and find where are these cities and to name them. Number 1 is Jeddah. Jeddah is here. Okay, here. This is Dammam, of course. This is Dammam here. And here we have Riyadh, and here we have Mecca. Okay, what is number 2? Number 2 is, okay, number 2 is here, Mecca. Okay, of course you know this. So number 2 is Mecca. Right? What about number 3? What is number 3? Number 3 is Dammam. Yes, And you can write it down. Write it down with me, please, okay? And here the capital city of my country. The capital city of my country is Riyadh. The capital city of my country is Riyadh. Okay? You know how to write Riyadh in English? Do you know how to write Riyadh in English? Okay, so this is the Saudi map, and here we named some of the cities in Saudi Arabia: Jeddah, Mecca, Dammam, and Riyadh. Okay, now let's move to the second exercise, read and match, which revise the questions that we said today about planning or asking about the holiday plans. Number 1, where are you going on holiday? Here we have 4 answers. I am going to read a book. Here, where are you going? What do you think of this question? What do you think of this question? Where? Where? Here we ask about place. We ask about a place. So let's see. Number 1, I am going to read a book. Is this a place? No. Number B, I am going to Jeddah. This is a place. I am going to play football on the beach. So this is an action. It's not a place. I am going to play, something that you will do. It's not a name of the city. No, it's the action that you are going to do on the beach. What are you going to do in Jeddah? I am going by plane. Which one can match the first question? Where are you going on holiday? Yes. Where is the city? Where is the name of the city? This is the name of the city. So, I am going to Jeddah. So this is number 1. Two, how are you going? Okay, how are you going? Are you going by the car? Are you going by a bus? Are you going by a plane? So here, number D. 2. Okay. Would you please answer the questions with me? This is on page 78. So how, when you ask about the method of or the way of the transportation. Okay, so I am going by plane. I am going by plane. How are you going? I am going by plane. 3. What are you going to do? What are you going to do on the plane? Here we have 2 answers left. I am going to read a book, or I am going to play football on the beach. So this is not in the plane, this is on the beach. So what are you going to do on the plane? I am going to read a book. I am going to read a book. So this is number 3. Okay, now, what are you going to do? This is when you ask about something that you do, you will do, an action, okay? Things that you are going to do. What are you going to do? Okay, what are you going to do? This is about your plans in future. What are you going to do after school? What are you going to do at the weekend? What are you going to do next Monday? So we are asking here about something will happen in the future. What are you going to do in Jeddah? Yes, I am going to play football on the beach. So Jeddah has a beach, so you are going to play football on the beach. Okay? Now you have to write down the answers, the name of the cities, and the answers of the questions. Don't forget these questions about the first one about the place or the city or the country that you are going to visit. The second one is about the way that you are going to use to go. And number 3, the action. Number 3 and 4, the same one. You ask about the action that you are going to do in the future. Okay? I hope you wrote this down. Write this down in your book. Don't forget to answer these questions. And of course, you can do the exercises on page 79 too. Okay, done? Okay, so as we said, we have 2 important questions today. The first question, when we asked about the destination or the place or the country that you are going to visit on your holiday, and we said that it's not nowadays. No, this is your plan, inshallah, on future. Okay, now please stay at home, don't go anywhere. Keep your family safe, please. Where are you going? I am going to. This is when you ask about a place or a city or a country that you are going to visit. Question number 2 is about how the way that you are using to move or to go from your city to that city that you are going to visit or the country. How are you going? I am going by car, plane, bus, or train. That was our lesson today. It is on page 36. Don't forget to finish the exercises on your workbook. And don't forget to finish this exercise and also to do the homework. Thank you. Would you please write down the answers? Don't forget to write the answers. Thank you. I wish you a very good day.